Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristine and today's episode is another unboxing video, guys. You can see here, it's Louis Vuitton. I'm super happy, pero disclaimer, this is not my Louis Vuitton bag. This is my friend, my cousin's bag. So, minimalist pa rin ako. Hindi pa ako bumibili ng panibagong bag, guys. So, kalma ka lang dyan. So, let's see kung ano yung nasa loob nito. Box na to. And, kung bumibili ka sa Louis Vuitton, unang-una, yung paper bag. Guys, alam nyo ba, no, yung unang-una kong Louis Vuitton na paper bag, yung binili ko yung Speedy 30 ko, binenta ko yon. Yung paper bag and yung box like this, binenta ko yon for $50 if I'm not mistaken. And natuwa ko lang kasi yes, napababa ko yung value ng Speedy. Pero, sana pala paper bag lang yung binenta ko, hindi yung box. Kasi maganda pala to sa closet. So, it's really up to you guys. Yun, sinasabi ko lang, nabibenta ko itong Louis Vuitton na ganito na paper bag and yung box niya, guys. So, tara, without further ado, buksan na natin to, guys. Yung paper bag niya, diba? Ganda ng color. Legit, this is original, guys. So, this is the box. Kuha pala ako ng measuring tape, no? So nice. Are you excited? Me, I'm excited because I don't know what's inside of this. Hindi pa talaga binubuksan to, guys. Pinikap ko lang to sa airport. And then, ito ngayon, i-unbox natin. Let's go check. Lapit ko dyan sa inyo para makita nyo, no? Para hindi ko galawin yung camera ko. Oh, shucks. Tcharan! So, this is what inside the box. I think this is just a thank you or just, let's check. Yeah, this is just a gift tag. You can write the name of your someone if you're gonna give it to somebody. So this is a nice touch. A gift tag. Gift tag. And then, this is what inside. Let's check the dust bag, guys. This is the dust bag. Louis Vuitton. Oops. So this is what inside. May book pa ata. Surprise natin yung ano. So, ayan. Ito yung box niya. And this is the receipt. Tingnan natin kung magkano kasi hindi ko pa nakikita kung magkano. By the way, before yung magkano, this is the ribbon. So nice. Blue ribbon. Mas gusto ko yung color ng Louis Vuitton ngayon, guys, kaysa sa dati na brown. Kasi parang mas classy yung color nila ngayon. Like yung orangey. I don't know if this is orange. It's kind of like dark orange, not light orange, and then with the combination of blue. Mas maganda talaga siya kesa dun sa dati nilang brown. Kung naalala nyo yung brown color na box ng Louis Vuitton. So this is the ribbon. Set it aside. So this is the receipt, guys. So, iba-iba. Minsan mahaba yung receipt nila. Mahaba yung envelope ng receipt. So tingnan natin kung magkano kasi hindi ko pa siya nakita kung magkano to. At guys, anong tawag dito? Sa Germany pa galing to, itong receipt. And unfortunately, this is a gift receipt. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung presyo. Anyways, ang nakasulat, ang tawag dito is, so the year pala yung bubuksan natin. Tapos checkin natin kung ano yung nasa laman niya sa loob. Pero nasa title ko naman na, guys. So, this is Croisette. The Ebony. Damier ba yun? Yeah, Croisette Damier. Exactly. So, sa Germany pa to galing, guys. Alam niyo ba na iba-iba yung quality ng Louis Vuitton? Not really iba-iba yung quality. It's just that mas maganda yung Louis Vuitton na galing talaga sa Europa. Kasi dun sila talaga nagmula. So, kung ikaw bibili ka ng Louis Vuitton mo, kung pupunta ka ng Europa, mas magandang dun mo siya bilhin kaysa sa ibang lugar. Diba? So, this is it. This is the bag. Louis Vuitton. I like their dust bag kahit na ganito lang kasi it's doing the job. It's doing the job. So, titingnan ba na. I'm gonna pick it first. Oh! Wow! Super ganda, guys. Promise, parang gusto ko din to. Pero hindi. So, let's open it. So, love at first sight yung masasabi ko. Like, summer? But parang talaga mas maganda yung gawa doon sa Germany. Let's check if ano talaga, Germany made. So, ito yung Croisette na tinatawag. Papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ay, mag-lock ka. There you go. I locked it. So, as you can tell, Diba? Ang ganda ng pagka-gold niya. Meron pa yung plastic seal. And ito yung tassel niya. You can see guys, this is the tassel. Super nice tassel, look. Very well made. And it says Louis Vuitton. I don't know if you guys can see it. Nagpo-focus ba? Yan, it says Louis Vuitton Paris. This is the mirror. Ang ganda ng pagka-mirror niya. Like, yung touch guys, mararamdaman niyo talaga super neat, super clean. Makikita nyo. Yan, ito yung kabilang side niya. Super ganda. Nice. Even the handle guys. See the handle? Look oh. Ang kapal pati niya. Like, I mean like, it's super nice. Like this handbag like this. Super ganda niya. Tapos ang ganda nito. Perfect yung size niya para sa akin. Ang ganda. Hindi siya super laki. Hindi ko napansin kung PM ba yung size nito or MM. Pero I think it's PM. Tapos hindi alam mo. Tignan mo. Siyempre kailangan natin i-click yun. Nakita nyo? Kiniklik to to open it. And then inside, there is a strap. Very nice. Let's click it one more time. There you go. And then this is the strap. Super nice. Alam niyo ba na worth $300 yung strap alone? So this is very good bag too. I like that it has like this. I might consider buying this guys. Not really. It's so nice. Like look. Right? And then this is the straps. Super ganda ng strap niya guys. Nakita nyo? Louis Vuitton. It says Louis Vuitton. Let's put it there. It says Louis Vuitton sa strap. Yan. Louis Vuitton din. Kita nyo, guys. Then, oops! Walang damage. Walang damage. It's Louis Vuitton here. Super nice. I like, honestly, fan ako. Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo, guys? Fan ako ng this strap ng sling bag. So, this is good. Mamaya natin try na may strap. So, let's open it again. Let's see what's inside other than the straps. Here. So, it says Croisette. Tama ba ako ng basa? Yeah, Croisette. And this is the tag. And then this is the paper thing. This is the barcode. Here. Croisette. Then here. Look at inside, guys. The red. Ang ganda ng pagka-red niya. At saka parang mas makapal yung pagka-lining niya kaysa yung bag ko na speedy guys. Or feeling ko lang. Pero perfect size to para sa akin guys. Ang ganda. Grabe. Tapos ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys. Made in France. Wait. Yan guys. Nakita nyo. Nakasulat talaga. Louis Vuitton Paris. Made in France. And napakaganda ng pagkakasulat. Like yung pagkakatag niya. Sobrang ganda. Nakita nyo guys. Yung made in France. Sa akin feeling ko talaga, mas maganda yung mga bag na made in France talaga. Kasi yun sa akin, hindi ata made in France. I forgot kung saan siya made. Pero iba yung quality kapag made in France talaga yung Louis Vuitton nyo guys. Kapag sa Europa. Kaya kung makakabili kayo guys na talagang nakasulat, made in France, mas kunin nyo yun. Kahit yung mga second hand bag, diba? I mean like yung mga used na Louis Vuitton, mas maganda kung yung mga made in Europe talaga yung mabili nyo. So, moving forward tayo. Ganito kadami siya. Try ko kung ano na yung malalaman natin. Tapos, you need to like lock it like one more time. There you go. You need to hear the click. Maganda dito guys, nakita nyo. Lalayo ako. Pwede siyang handbag like this. Ganda niya talaga. Look oh. Gonna take a photo. Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos, itatry ko siya ng may strap. Hindi ko alam magkano ito nabili ng ate ko. Pero grabe. Ang ganda niya. I like yung tassel. Oh, diba guys? Ang ganda niya. Look. Right? Super ganda. Super nice. Right? I like the size of the bag. Like, super ganda niya. Pero tatry ko na monogram siya. Pero maganda din talaga tong damier. Baka, oo, ang ganda niya. Like, saktong-sakto yung size niya. I'm super in love. Grabe. Super in love. So, on my next video, guys, papakita ko kung ano-ano yung pwedeng mailagay dito sa bag na to. Keep watching that video. And I think we're gonna end the unboxing here. Thank you for watching my video, guys. See you on my next video, whether it's unboxing video, my finance video, and kung ano yung kasyang malagay dito sa bag na to. Maraming salamat. Don't forget, guys, to hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell so that you will be notified on my next video. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.